the first thing we need to do is to write down the formula, which is the n term equal to the first term plus n minus 1 common difference. Alright, so the question says, in an AP, the difference between the 8th term, so let's put down the 8th term first. So the 8th term is going to be t of 8 equal to a plus 8 minus 1 b. Now that's the 8th term. So the t of 8 is going to be t of 8 equal to a plus 8 minus 1 is 7, so it's going to be plus 7d. Okay, from the question, the t4 is going to be a plus 4 minus 1d, which is going to be equal to a plus 3d. This is the 4th term. So the question says that the difference between the 8th term and the 4th term is equal to 20. So let's look for the difference. The difference is going to be t of 8 minus t of 4, which is equal to 20. And t of 8 is equal to a plus 7d minus, open bracket, a plus 3d equal 20. Let's try to simplify this. So if you open the bracket, you're going to have a plus 7d minus a minus 3d equal 20. So a will cancel out the a. 7d minus 3d is going to be 4d equal 20. So if you divide both sides by 4, you're going to have 4, and this is going to be d. 4 is going to cancel out 4, equal 4 into 4, 1, 4 into 25. So the common difference d is equal to 5. So we have answered the first question. So now we are asked to find the first term. So it means that the 8th term t of 8 is equal to one whole number 1 over 2 t of 4. Alright, so therefore we're going to have that the t of 8 is equal to, if you turn the mixed fraction to an improper fraction, we're going to have 3 over 2 t of 4. So then we're going to have t of 8 is going to be a plus 7d equal to 3 over 2 bracket a plus 3d. Now if we impute d equal 5, then we're going to have a plus 7 multiplied by 5 equal to 3 over 2 bracket a plus 3 multiplied by 5. Now we're going to have a plus 35 equal 3 over 2 bracket a plus 15. Let's multiply 2 by 2 so we cancel out these 2. Now if we do that, we're going to have 2a plus 70. So if we multiply 2 by 2, we are going to have 2a plus 70 equal 3a plus 15. So we're going to have 2a plus 70 equal to 3a plus 45. Now let's take like term. If you take the like term, you're going to have 70 minus 45 equal to 3a minus 2a. This is going to give us 25 equal to a. So our a is 25. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Drop your comment in the comment section. Bye for now.